What's up, YouTube? Today I'm at deer camp and I'm going to show you how to make a sandwich that'll give you enough energy to make it through the day. So you know how everything tastes better when you're camping? That was the case in this trip too. I took a couple of shortcuts that I wished I hadn't, and I even broke a couple of my favorite rules. Check it out. So there's two things that bug me. Number one is food reviews where they eat the food in their car. And number two, I hate eating in the car, but after standing in the snow, I had to get somewhere just a little bit warmer. So what I did is I came back and I made the exact same sandwich, the one that I had planned on making when I left. And here it is, the updated version. This one's actually fantastic. I've had a few people try it and they loved it. I'm making this sandwich on my Camp Chef camp stove. And like every good sandwich, it's got to have some bacon on it. We're going to cook this up just the way you like it and then take it off when it's ready. Now I don't want all this grease, so I'm going to soak some of it up before I saute the onions. Now these onions are going to cook pretty quick, but you want to make sure you toss them every once in a while and get some of them on the floor so they don't burn. Then when they're half caramelized, half translucent, that's about where you're going to want them, and go ahead and take them off. Then throw 4 slices of pepperoni in the pan. You'll also notice that we cleaned it after we took the onions off, and that'll keep stuff from burning and getting stuck to your bread. Then we're going to throw an overexposed slice of turkey on there, as well as some pepper jack. Then we're going to realize our mistake and cover it with some smoked Gouda cheese. Now I made that in one of my other videos, and that turned out absolutely awesome, something you can make at home. Throw in another slice of turkey with a little bit of extra pepper jack just because I had it. And then we're going to top it with the pepperoni. Now I realized pretty fast that it's way too hot to use with your hands. It's better to do with a spatula. Nice going, Ryan. The reason we're heating up the meat is because we want to make sure that all of that cheese is melted. Now there's nothing worse than having cheese on a hot sandwich if the cheese isn't melted yet. The other benefit of it is it browns it up and adds another layer of flavor. And who doesn't love crispy pepperoni? I happen to like it, and it goes great with this sandwich. Now on the bread, we're going to use mayonnaise instead of butter because when it's cold, it's impossible to spread that butter. Go ahead and top it with all of your meat and add some bacon, and don't forget the onions like I did. We're going to throw another slice of bread on top. Once it's grilled up and golden brown just like you like, it's just about perfect and ready to come off. Now who wouldn't want to eat that? The only thing left to do is to cut it diagonally and throw some tater tots on the side, and you're good to go.